Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me at Lisa B. Today we're going to do a resistance band workout. So the one with the handles or the plain long flat TheraBand is absolutely fine. Any resistance band you've got is fine. I'm not really going to use the handles, this is just the one I've got lying around, but use the flat long one if you've got it. So kind of want it to be about 1 metre long. Most of them are that length. So we're going to work into the arms, we're going to do some abs and back work, so kind of full body today actually. So take your legs wide, we're just going to do some mobility work to warm up the shoulders. So hold probably right onto the ends of the band. We're going to come up, behind you and forward, and all you're doing now is just warming up the shoulders. So this is really, really great for mobility. And then hold the tummy muscles in while you're doing this. So pull the belly in towards the spine. You're going to go for 10, 9, keep the arms straight the whole time, try not to move the back, you're just moving those arms. And this should feel like you're warming up the shoulders and the back muscles. Let's go for 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now wrap the band around the hands so that you feel like you're working. Everyone will be different here, so you want to feel like your muscles are really working. It should feel like you're making a bit of effort to do this. So arms are straight. We're just going to open. Let's go for 15. 1, if it's too easy, wrap the hand round more. Wrap the band around the hand more. 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pull the abs in. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Then we're going to pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down. So open, open, open for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now arms out. So now you're going to keep one arm straight and open. You're working into that tricep for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that is going into my shoulders. That is, I can feel that already. Other side, one arm is straight, completely still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Roll the shoulders back. Now we're going to work into the obliques. So arms are going to stay straight the whole time. So we're going to come into a plie squat. So turn your toes out, squat down, open those knees, arms up, arms straight the whole time. Stay low, side to side. Suck the tummy muscles in. For 1, 2, we're doing 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Come up, we're going to lunge and we're going to add a band pull. So again, just adjust the band wherever you need it. So we're going to lunge, bottom, back and down. One leg is straight, one leg is bent. Pull and release. Lunge and pull. 3, 4, get that bottom back and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Other side. So bottom back and down. Lunge and pull the band for 1, 2, 3, 4, Keep the back nice and long. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So band behind you, we're going to do triceps. So band behind you. Grab the band as high up as you can, so you want quite a lot of resistance here. So now we're going to extend the arm and release. From the side, you're extending and releasing. So keep your elbow forward, tummy muscles in. So the higher up, the more band you've got behind you towards the floor, the harder it's going to be. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Other side. Grab the band. Again, have a lot of band hanging behind you. Keep the wrist nice and firm. You're working the tricep. Extend and release. Elbow forward. Extend and release. Belly in. For 10. 9, from the side, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. So now we're going to go down to the mat to work our abs, back muscles and the legs. Okay, so we're going to work the legs and the core. So you're going to bring one side of the band underneath the knee. So the flat bands are actually a lot better here. So now I'm going to come into a side kneeling position. I'm then going to put my other foot in the band. I'm going to place my hand down. Make sure it's under the knee because otherwise it's going to ping off. And I say that as it's not really under my knee. I'm going to kneel. I'm going to bring the leg up. So you've got the band around the foot, under the knee, tummy muscles in, little pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circles. 1, 2. Pull the belly in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold and down. I was shaking. Oh my goodness, you should have been shaking through that. Let's swap over to the side. So you've got a little bit of a band this side, under the knee. Most of the band is that side. Place my foot in it, straighten the leg. Come into that side kneeling, so your torso is facing to the side. I feel like that's going to ping out and give me a little bit of a surprise. Some people like that. So, lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Belly in circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And down. Oh my God, that was actually a lot harder than I expected it to be. Let's move on to the abs. So a little bit of a teaser modification here. So band around just one foot. So take it around the left foot. We're going to lie down. Now, bending the knees, feet are quite far away from your hips. You don't want them too close because it's going to make it too hard. So now, hold onto the band, bring your knees so that they're together. My knees are directly next to each other. So use your core. We're going to take an inhale, exhale, belly in, lift without letting this left leg move too much. Use your core. Roll back down, curve the spine, and lift. Try not to use momentum. Try not to let the left leg move too much. 3 more. Exhale, lift. Curl on the way down. Don't let gravity just take you. Good. 1 more. lift, and down. Now we're going to change over. Right foot into the band, left foot on the mat, knees next to each other. This right leg is nice and straight. Take an inhale, exhale, lift. Good, roll back. Inhaling, exhale, lift. Good, rolling back. Exhale, lift. Good, and back. Let's go for 3 more. Really pull the belly in. 2 more. Last one. Good, and down. Now both feet in the band. So now lift your head and shoulders. We're going to straighten and release. Straighten and release. Lift the shoulders a little bit more. Feel the core. 8, 7, 6. Wrap more around the hands if it's too easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leg straight. So now we're going to go into the teaser with the band. Inhale, exhale, lift. Try not to let the legs move too much. First one's always the hardest. Balance. Pull the belly in, roll back down. Curve the spine, go back with control. Inhale, exhale, lift. Good. So the feet are flexed so that the band doesn't come off. We usually do this with pointed toes. Exhale, lift. Good, roll back down, use the core. Exhale, lift. Good, and back down. One more time. Exhale, lift. Good, and release. So now sit with nice straight legs. Band around the feet. Again, the feet are flexed so the band doesn't ping off. So cross the band over, so you've crossed it, you've got hold of it. We're just going to go for rows. So move your hands up the band a little bit, so you've got a lot hanging here behind you. So we're going to row. Just again, working the shoulders. This shouldn't be super difficult, but you're just warming up. You're working the rotator cuff muscles, the back muscles. Let's not forget about those small muscle groups. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, 5, pull the belly in, elbows in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, come out of that. We're going to lie onto the stomach, a little bit of back strength work. So wrap your band around your hands. As we bring the arms forward, we're going to release the tension. As we bring the arms back, we're going to widen the arms, so you work against resistance. So tummy muscles in. Imagine you've got that blueberry underneath the stomach. Lift the head and shoulders, feet stay down, float the arms. So no tension there, but as you pull back, widen the band. We're going to go for 10. 1, 2, keep looking at the mat. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's add the legs. Stay with the legs down if this is too much, belly in. Lift the legs off the mat, squeeze that bottom, lift the arms. Same again, pull back and widen the arms. And now we're going to go forward, release. Now add the legs. Open the legs as the band comes back. Close the legs as the band go forward. Let's go for 10, 9, 8. Really pull the belly in, squeeze that bottom. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, come up. Let's just do some cat-cows. So round the back, drop the head. Opposite way, round. Good, let's do a little side to side. So again, grab your band, wrap it round the hands so you want your arms nice and straight. So just side to side, stretching out the side of the body, working a little bit of resistance into those arms for for 5, pull the belly in for 3, 2, 1, and done. So what I would do now is I would go back to the start of the video and do it twice if you just want to work a little bit harder. But once it's absolutely fine, you'll still get a really good workout. You should have even maybe got your heart rate up a little bit. Yeah, I got a little bit hot during that. That side leg lift was a killer. So press the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a like. Let me know your thoughts below. Preferably about the video, not just your random thoughts about the universe. But I will also take those thoughts as well, and I will comment and reply. I'm rambling. I'm going into that mode of just talking too much. Thank you so much for joining me. Lots of love, and I will see you soon.